Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by enabling the circle search gesture. Open settings and go straight to gestures or accessibility so you don't waste time. Tap the circle or quick search option and toggle it on, then assign any preferred behavior like screenshot, search, or app launch. Make sure you grant permission to draw over apps and to access device files. This is why Circle can read content and return precise results. Once done, practice a single clockwise circle near the center to register the motion. You now refine Circle so it works reliably. Go back into the circle settings to adjust sensitivity and the active gesture zone, because too large an area causes false positives. Select which search provider you prefer, Google, device search, or a third-party app, so results match your intent. Then map the circle to the action you want most often. For example, linking it to search makes it pull up suggestions and web results instantly. Make sure voice access is enabled if you use voice input. You finish by testing Circle in real tasks. Draw a clear, continuous circle to trigger search and speak or type a query to verify results. If it doesn't respond, first recheck permissions and sensitivity, then toggle the feature off and on. Often this clears temporary conflicts. If problems persist, restart the pad or update MIUI and the search app, since compatibility fixes solve many issues. One tip: if gesture recognition is inconsistent, reduce sensitivity slightly and retrain your motion.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.